We put it on everything now. Every time I drive by anything I want to grow good, I put some on it. My house plants, I put it on it. Uh, it just doesn't matter. Very easy to use. It's basically it's a super high concentrate. So you're buying a concentrated bottle, and you just mix 1 ounce per gallon of distilled water, and mix it and then spray it on the leaves. Get the leaves wet, either early in the morning, late in the afternoon, when it can have full uh, absorption. If you do it in the heat of the day, uh, at the windy, the leaves are going to dry out pretty quick, and you're not going to get the full effect. So if you do it when the sun's going down or just coming up and it's kind of calm on the outside plants, uh, that's the time to use it.
How often?
Every 10 days, 2 weeks. Sometimes we get busy for our indoor plants here, and we every 2 or 3 weeks, and it seems to benefit them dramatically. But for the apple trees, I'm religious at once a week.